find the difference in the numbers in the range or of cells or the selected cells. How it works? Let's see. I simply want to find the difference between 89 and 28. I got my result. But let's do a little complex calculation. That is, I want to first add 89 and 56, then want to deduct 28 plus 78 from the total of 89 and 56. So one way is to do it like this: 89 plus 56, then 28 plus 78, then 145 minus 106. So I got my result as 39. This is the simple way. If we want to do it a little bit complex, what we will do is equals to sum, bracket open, select the numbers that you want to add. So I want to add 89 and 56. Then find the difference by adding 78 plus 28. Bracket close. Still, I got the same answer. So here we did use two functions, that is sum and minus or subtraction. Multiplication or product. We will use the same numbers to do the multiplication or product. So equals to 89. In Excel, remember, for multiplication, we use the star button or the star symbol. A2 multiplied by B2 multiplied by C2 multiplied by G2. Press enter. Oops, it's a very big number. If you want to use it in the complex way, let's do it that way. Equals to sum. Let's add these three numbers first. Bracket close, multiplied by 78. So here, the result has changed because of the standard mathematical rule, which is BODMAS. That is bracket of divide, multiplied, add, and subtract. So what the system did here was, first it did the addition of these three numbers, whatever we have put inside the bracket. So let's see how it works. This 89 plus 56 plus 28. So the result we got is 173. And then what we have done is we have multiplied 173 by 78. That's why we got 13,494 as a result.